Good morning, students. Students, after completing the formula of tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cot A plus B, and cot A minus B, today we shall start another form, that is sin x plus y into sin x minus y is equals to sin square x minus sin square y, and another is cos x plus y into cos x minus y is cos square x minus sin square y. So we have to prove or to derive this formula. See, first one, sin x plus y into sin x minus y. First step, write down their formulas. Sin x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. This is formula for sin x plus y. Into, write the formula for sin x minus y. See, this is minus sin x minus y, that is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Now see, a plus b into a minus b. Here we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square, means sin square x into cos square y, that is a square, minus cos square x into sin square y, that is b square. Our result is to derive in the form of sin. So convert cos square y and cos square x in terms of sin. You know, sin square x is already here. Cos square y should be written as 1 minus sin square y. Similarly, 1 minus cos square x 1 minus sin square x, which is cos square x into sin square y. Now open the bracket. It should be written as sin square x multiplied by 1, which is sin square x, minus sin square x into sin square y. Open this bracket, minus 1 into sin square y means minus sin square y. Minus into minus together becomes plus sin square x into sin square y. Here sin square x into sin square y and sin square x into sin square y should be cancelled. So finally we have sin square x minus sin square y. So we can derive this formula. You must learn the formula sin x plus y into sin x minus y is equals to sin square x minus sin square y. This is your next formula. Sin x plus y into sin x minus y is equals to sin square x minus sin square y. Your next formula is cos x plus y into cos x minus y. See LHS. LHS is equals to cos x plus y into cos x minus y. Again apply the same formula cos x plus y and cos x minus y and multiply them. So cos x plus y should be cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Similarly, cos x minus y will be cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. Sin x into sin y. Again apply the same formula a minus b into a plus b. It should be a square minus b square. So a square is how much? Cos square x into cos square y. Cos square x into cos square y minus sin square x into sin square y. Sin square y. We have to prove cos square x minus sin square y. So convert cos square y in terms of sin and sin square x in terms of cos. See what happens. Cos square x into 1 minus sin square y minus 1 minus cos square x into sin square y. Open the bracket. It should be written as cos square x minus cos square x into sin square y minus sin square y. Minus and minus together becomes positive cos square x into sin square y. So now see, cos square x into sin square y. One is positive term, another one is negative term. So positive and negative should cancel. Finally we have cos square x minus sin square y. Hence the next formula of your is cos x plus y into cos x minus y should equals to cos square x minus sin square y. This is your another formula. The first one is sin x plus y into sin x minus y is equal to sin square x minus sin square y, and the next is cos x plus y into cos x minus y is equals to cos square x minus cos square y. These formulas are very important while solving the problems. Now you are in position to solve few problems. So see the problems. Your first problem is prove that sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree is equals to 1 by root 2. Start from LHS. Your LHS is sin 105 degree plus cos 105 degree. Now change 105 degree into two angles such that the value of angles we should know. See, sin 105 degree should be written as 60 degree plus 45 degree. Similarly, cos 105 degree should be written as cos 60 degree plus 45 degree. Sin a plus b plus cos a plus b. So apply the formula for a plus b. So sin a into cos b plus cos A into sin B. This is your formula for sin A plus B. Similarly, cos A plus B, this should be written as cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. All of these value we already know. Sin 60 degree, children, the value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into cos 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2, plus cos 60 degree, which is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Similarly, in second one, cos 60 degree, that is 1 by 2, cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2, and finally the last term, sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2 into sin 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 is negative here, and root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 is positive here. So both should cancel. Now take the LCM. Obviously LCM is 2 root 2. This is 1 plus 1, means 2 by 2 root 2, and 2 by 2 root 2 after cancellation becomes 1 by root 2, which is your RHS. See how we prove the problems. Obviously we will use various formula we have derived earlier. We will use those formulas, and then we prove such type of problems. See one more question. Your next question is, prove that tan 70 degree is equals to tan 20 degree plus 2 times tan 50 degree. See, start from LHS. Tan 70 degree should be written as tan 50 degree plus 20 degree, right? Because you have to transfer this angle in terms of 20 and 50 degree. Now apply the formula for tan A plus B, which is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. You can eliminate LHS, you may write directly. So in left side we have tan 70 degree. Now multiply cross. After cross multiplication, tan 70 degree into 1, that is tan 70 degree, minus multiply then tan 70 degree into tan 20 degree into tan 50 degree, and in right side we have tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree. Next step, tan 70 degree. Here see this tan 70 degree, we write tan 90 degree minus 20 degree. because 90 minus 20 is 70, into tan 20 degree into tan 50 degree is equals to tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree. Tan 90 degree minus theta, apply the formula, tan 90 degree minus theta will be cot theta. So we write here tan 70 degree minus cot 20 degree, cot 20 degree into tan 20 degree into tan 50 degree is equals to tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree, right? You know tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, so on multiplying them this becomes 1. So how much left now? Tan 70 degree minus tan 50 degree is equals to tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree. Now make this term into right side, minus becomes positive, so tan 50 plus tan 50, which is 2 tan 50 degree. So tan 70 degree is equals to 2 tan 50 degree plus tan 20 degree. This is your result, or you can say RHS. If you start from LHS, then it is RHS, or you can prove it directly. See one more question. Prove that cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. See children, we should write 3x is equals to 2x plus x. So cot, take cot into both sides, so cot 3x should equals to cot 2x plus x. Now here we apply the formula for cot A plus B. You have already proved this formula, some students also given me as a homework. So cot 3x should be written as cot 2x into cot x minus 1 divided by cot 2x plus cot x. Now multiply cross, means after cross multiplication we have cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x is equals to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now make this one into left side so that it becomes positive, and these two terms shift into right side. So 1 should be equals to cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot x. So 1 is equal to this term, or this term is equal to 1, have same meaning. Hence cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot x is equals to 1. Hence this is your proof. Now children, I am giving 2 or 3 questions as a homework. You after the class you immediately solve the question and send me on my WhatsApp. Write down the first question as a homework is prove that cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree upon cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree is equals to tan 54 degree. The first question. Next question is prove that cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree is equals to 1 by root 2. हाँ सर, आ रहे हैं 5 मिनट में. One more question. Prove that tan 15 degree plus cot 15 degree is equals to 4. So prove all these 3 questions and send me immediately, means as soon as possible, on my WhatsApp like yesterday you have done. Thank you and very much.